couldn't be true. Are you the girl I thought I knew? The one who promised me her love. Where did it go? Does anybody ever know? How do you heal a broken heart that feels like it would never beat this much again? Oh no, I just can't let go. How do you heal a broken